everyone. Today is last day of Maskathon and I hope you enjoyed these 7 days with me. In today's video, I'm going to share a really simple overnight mask recipe, and you need only 2 ingredients to make this overnight mask. It's a really popular overnight mask and I have discussed about this mask in one of my previous skincare routine video, and in today's video I'm going to discuss it in detail. You need only 2 simple ingredients to make this overnight mask and rose water for added nourishment. So the first ingredient is tomato. Tomato is natural astringent that keeps your pores naturally clean, and it is also rich in antioxidants. That means it will keep your skin young and supple. Tomato also helps in removing excess oil from your face, and if used regularly for 2 times in a week, it will help in reducing blackheads and shrinking pores, brightening of your skin, and it will make your skin soft. And since it is antibacterial, it is also beneficial for acne prone skin. For this mask, take a tomato and cut a small piece out of it. Second ingredient that I have used is milk. Milk is an excellent moisturizer. It can penetrate deep into your skin pores and provide nourishment and moisturization to your inner or deeper skin layers. And when it is mixed with tomato, it can also help in removing suntan. Milk is rich in lactic acid and it can also control the formation of melanin that will further promote brighter looking skin. Now take 1 spoon of milk and dip the piece of tomato into that milk and let it soak for 1 to 2 minutes. Before applying face mask, I am going to spray rose water onto my face. This is 100% pure rose water. Next, I am going to rub that tomato slice and milk onto my face. Gently rub the slice on your face and neck and then let it dry for 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can go to sleep and you will have soft, supple and glowing skin next morning. Now when you will apply this overnight face mask, it is possible that your skin may itch for initial 5 to 10 minutes. That's because tomato is rich in fruit acids, but after 5 to 10 minutes that itchiness will go away, so it's normal. So you have to apply this overnight face mask 2 times in a week. It is suitable for all skin type, best suitable for oily to normal skin type. And if you have dry skin, milk will add moisture to your skin, but if you need added or if you need more moisturization, then add some drops of sweet almond oil to this overnight mask. So yeah, that's it. This was the last video of this Maskathon week. I really hope you enjoyed this Maskathon series with me and my videos were useful for you, and I really hope this video was also useful for you, and if it was, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel so that we can stay connected. And please don't forget to hit the small bell icon and also opt for the notification so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And yeah, I will see you in my next video very soon. Till then, take care. Bye.